Hi, wanna connect the AirPods to the iPhone 16? Then open Settings and find the Bluetooth section. So as a first step, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. And now take your AirPods, open the case and find this button on the back part of your AirPods. Also, sometimes you can see this pop-up notification to connect a new device, but if not, you will need to press and hold this back button for a couple of seconds till this indicator starts blinking white. So let's do it now. I'm pressing the button and now it is blinking white, so we can find it in the list. Here just select this button to connect, then wait a couple of seconds. Here skip this and now it is connected because you can see it in the list of my devices and the status connected. To disconnect them from your phone, you will need to tap on the info icon. Here scroll till the end, find this disconnect option, tap it, and now you also can just forget this device by tapping this option and confirming it once more. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.